Thank you for visiting the law offices of Michael Eramo and Associates. First, a legal disclaimer. This is an advertisement for legal services. The information in this video and on our website is not legal advice and is intended only as general information. This area of the federal law is complicated. Consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney regarding your particular facts and circumstances. I am attorney Michael Eramo. My offices are located in Danvers, Chelmsford, and Wakefield, Massachusetts. My firm concentrates in helping people just like you who are facing insurmountable personal debt or possibly the foreclosure of your home. If you are faced with such issues, we can help. The law offices of Michael Eramo and Associates is designated as a federal debt relief agency by an act of Congress and the President of the United States. We proudly assist people just like you who may need to seek relief under the United States Bankruptcy Code. You are likely visiting our website because you are overwhelmed by debt, facing a wage garnishment, receiving harassing telephone calls from creditors, or possibly in possession of a legal notice from your lender informing you of their intent to foreclose on your home. Do not panic. My office helps people who face these problems every day. This is what we do. Can you stand to hear some good news for a change? There are many legal tools and strategies available to help you through this difficult time. Obtaining sound advice and information is critical to making informed decisions. Attorney Lisa Bruno or I will provide you with a legal consultation to discuss your particular facts and circumstances. Call our office to schedule an appointment. Our legal staff is committed to helping all clients and prospective clients with kindness, courtesy, and respect. Do you ask questions like, what options do I have? Will I benefit by filing for bankruptcy? What is a bankruptcy? What is a Chapter 7? What is a Chapter 13? What are the consequences of filing for bankruptcy? We have the answers. There are many misconceptions of what bankruptcy is. Bankruptcy is not a bad word. It is a federal law that protects honest people overwhelmed by debt seeking some help, commonly referred to as a fresh start. If you are honest, overwhelmed with debt, and looking for that fresh financial start, the law offices of Michael Eramo and Associates may be able to help you. For more information, take time to review our website where you will find answers to many of your questions. When you fall behind on your bills and/or your mortgage, and your world feels like it's falling apart, it's important to take action as quickly as possible. Do not delay, as your options may be limited. It is unfortunate that so many Massachusetts residents receive misleading headlines and predatory promises from radio and TV advertisements, direct mail, telephone solicitations, and the like when facing burdensome debt. They make promises such as, we can reduce your credit card debt, we can refinance your loan, no risk, we guarantee to lend you money. You know, the truth is, many people facing burdensome credit card debt or the foreclosure of their home often lose the most prudent and sound strategies available to them because of misinformation and sales techniques used by debt consolidation companies, potential investors, mortgage brokers, or other well-meaning but misinformed people. My office can help you make informed decisions. My office staff is exceptionally well trained to guide people, just like you, through this very difficult time with compassion and commitment. Over the years, my office has assisted thousands of Massachusetts residents regain financial control and discharge millions of dollars of burdensome debt. As with any decision to hire a professional, whether a doctor, accountant, or an attorney, be sure to retain the best in the field. There are many attorneys who claim to be bankruptcy lawyers, but few have the experience and the knowledge to adequately protect their clients' best interest and, most importantly, their assets. Questions asked by prospective clients are, what options do I have? What can I do? You know, someone facing financial burdensome debt, credit card debt, foreclosure, usually has several options. Many attorneys offer a one-size-fits-all approach to bankruptcy, quoting a standard flat fee. I stress, and I believe, that most everyone's situation, facts, and circumstances are different. So it stands to reason that no one set of solutions is applicable to everyone. You must consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney to discuss your particular circumstances. The sooner you do, the better your options may be. An uninformed decision can cost you thousands of dollars, not to mention possibly your home. Filing bankruptcy is not always the answer, but know that the federal laws may help you regain your financial control. You may be asking, what if filing a bankruptcy petition is the proper solution for me? What can I expect to happen? Our office will walk you through the process and the requirements of filing a petition. The filing of a bankruptcy takes due diligence. My staff is exceptionally well trained to guide you through the process. The bankruptcy court is designated to help honest people overwhelmed with debt looking for help, commonly referred to as a fresh start, or what I commonly refer to as regaining your financial control. My staff and I expect honesty and full disclosure in compiling your information and completing your petition and your schedules. The federal law requires it and will impose severe criminal penalties for the concealment of assets, false statements, and perjury. This very brief overview is not intended to minimize the time and care that is needed to complete the documents and prepare for filing for bankruptcy. My office takes the necessary time to educate our clients of the process and what to expect. If you are honest, overwhelmed with debt, and looking for that fresh financial start, the law offices of Michael Eramo and Associates may be able to help you. Be sure to retain an attorney with the experience necessary to protect your interest and, most importantly, your assets. Thank you. Attorney Lisa Bruno, our staff, and I look forward to hearing from you.